Alright, today I'm gonna make a video of Apple Pencil. This is what it comes with. These are all the instructions. You have an extra tip and the adapter. These are all the instructions. To connect Apple Pencil, this is what you need to do. Bluetooth on and connect the pencil here. Once it's connected, you'll see Bluetooth Apple Pencil is paired. So now it's paired. These are some of the drawing I did. Okay. So you can do any pretty much. Pretty good. Writing is pretty good too. You can write beginning. This is a pencil. That's pen. So far so good. Alright, that being said, this is Apple Pencil. It's pretty good. The battery lasts very long time. 10-15 minutes can get you easily an hour or so, maybe more. It comes with the extra tip. So far we've been using the first tip. This is the adapter you need it for the charging. 30 minutes I think it will charge the whole pencil, which will last 4 or 5 hours if you continue to work. Nice grip. We love it.